Hello there, this is Diatom Dave at Fun Science Cheltenham. We offer science-themed birthday parties, workshops and holiday clubs all over Gloucestershire. Now, I wanted to share with you an experiment that I did this morning. It was kind of by accident, but it was good fun, and it's one that you can try with things that you have at home. Now, just a little explainer before I start. At Fun Science, we are big fans of cabbage water, even though it smells a bit like Trump's. Now, cabbage water is what you get when you boil red cabbage, or you can put the cabbage in a blender with some water, whiz it up, and then strain it out, and you end up with a purple liquid. Now, what's cool about cabbage water is that it contains a chemical called anthocyanin, and this chemical is what's called a pH indicator. What does that mean? Well, it simply means that when you add an acid or an alkali to the cabbage water can actually tell you how acidic or alkaline the substance is. Now, I was telling Mrs. Diatom Dave about this, and she asked me, could you do the same with pickled cabbage juice? To which I said, I don't know. But there's only one way to find out, and that is with an experiment. Now, as you can see, we don't need lots of highly scientific equipment for this. All we need is a few cups, a spoon, some acids and alkalis, and the main ingredient, some pickled cabbage. So here is our pickled cabbage water. I'm going to add a little bit to each of these 3 cups, being careful not to get too much cabbage in there. Now let's pop in our acids and alkalis and see what happens. Give it a mix around. Adding the alkali to the acid is creating bubbles. But you can also see there, it's going blue. Wow, look at that. It's working, and we're getting bubbles as well. Check that out. Pickled cabbage does work as a pH indicator. Cool. Next, I'm going to try an acid. Let's try lemon juice. Whoops. Big glug of that in there, and let's see what happens. We're not getting any bubbles, but it's definitely going red. This is our pickled cabbage juice, and this is the juice with lemon. So there you have it. If you've got some pickled cabbage in your fridge, why don't you give this a go? Try it with different acids and alkalis around your home. You can try acids like lemon juice and vinegar, and some common alkalis are things like baking soda and laundry detergent. Try adding different amounts of the acid and alkali to your cabbage water and see what difference it makes to the colour. Why not ask a grown-up to be your lab assistant? Now, just so you know, we are taking bookings for science parties around Gloucestershire, and we also have a range of home science kits with even more experiments for you to try at home. Head to our Facebook page, facebook.com/funscicheltenham for more information. Safe sciencing and have fun. See you next time.